Finding your dog's voice. Every dog has a unique way of expressing themselves, and understanding this can deepen the bond you share with your furry friend. Dogs communicate in many ways. They use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and even facial expressions to convey their feelings and intentions. They use their bodies, their tails, and their voices. Each movement and sound can tell you something about what your dog is experiencing or trying to communicate. A dog's bark is a powerful tool. It can be a way to greet you, to alert you to something unusual, or to express excitement and happiness. It can express joy, fear, or warning. Understanding the context and the tone of the bark can help you respond appropriately to your dog's needs. Some dogs are naturally vocal, while others are quieter. This can depend on their breed, personality, and even their past experiences. No matter your dog's breed, a strong voice is important. It allows them to communicate effectively with you and other dogs. It helps your dog stay safe and express themselves. A well-timed bark can alert you to potential dangers, or simply let you know your dog is happy and content. In this essay, we will explore ways to boost your dog's voice. We will look at training techniques, understanding different types of barks, and how to encourage positive vocal behavior. Remember, training should be positive. Using rewards and encouragement can help your dog learn to use their voice in a healthy and constructive way. Focus on encouragement and fun. Training sessions should be enjoyable for both you and your dog, strengthening your bond and making learning a positive experience. With a little effort, you can help your dog find their voice. By understanding and nurturing their natural communication methods, you can ensure a happier and more harmonious relationship with your pet. The benefits of a strong bark. A strong bark is more than just noise. It is an essential part of a dog's communication. A loud bark can deter danger. It alerts you to potential threats. Imagine your dog sees a stranger approaching your property. A strong bark acts as a warning. This can keep both your dog and your home safe. A clear bark also helps your dog interact with other dogs. It allows them to play and communicate effectively. Strengthening your dog's voice enhances their overall well-being. Vocal cord warm-ups. Simple exercises. Just like athletes warm up their muscles, dogs can benefit from vocal cord exercises. These exercises help to keep their vocal cords healthy and can even improve their communication skills. These exercises are simple and fun. Start with short sessions to keep your dog engaged and prevent them from getting tired or bored. Aim for 5 to 10 minutes, a few times a day. Consistency is key, so try to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine. One exercise is to hold a treat in your hand. Make sure it's something your dog really loves to keep them motivated. Let your dog smell it, but don't give it to them yet. This builds anticipation and focus. This will often encourage a bark. The anticipation and excitement can prompt your dog to vocalize. As soon as your dog barks, say yes. This immediate feedback helps your dog understand what behavior is being rewarded. Reward them with the treat and praise. Positive reinforcement is crucial in training. This positive reinforcement teaches your dog that barking can earn them good things. Over time, your dog will learn to associate barking with positive outcomes, making them more likely to repeat the behavior when prompted. Remember to keep the sessions light and enjoyable. The goal is to make these exercises a fun bonding experience for both you and your dog. With regular practice, these simple exercises can help improve your dog's vocal health and strengthen your relationship. Section 4. Making training fun games for a powerful bark. Training should be enjoyable for both you and your dog. It's important to create a positive environment where your dog feels excited and motivated to learn. This not only strengthens your bond, but also makes the training process more effective. Incorporate games into your vocal cord exercises. By turning training into a playful activity, your dog will be more engaged and eager to participate. This approach helps in reinforcing the desired behaviors in a fun and interactive way. Hide and seek is a great option. This game not only stimulates your dog's mind, but also encourages them to use their sense of smell and hearing to locate you. It's a fantastic way to practice their recall skills. Tell your dog to stay and then hide in another room. Call their name once. This teaches them patience and the importance of listening to your commands. It also builds anticipation and excitement, making the game more enjoyable. When they find you, reward them with a treat and praise. Positive reinforcement is key to successful training. Your dog will associate finding you and responding to your call with a positive outcome, reinforcing the behavior. This game encourages barking when they hear your call. It's a great way to practice vocal commands in a controlled and fun setting. Your dog learns to communicate effectively while enjoying the game. Another fun game is Fetch with a Bark. This game combines physical exercise with vocal training. making it a comprehensive workout for your dog. Before throwing the toy, ask your dog to bark. This encourages them to use their voice on command, which can be useful in various situations. Once they bark, throw the toy as a reward. This immediate reward system helps in reinforcing the barking behavior, making it clear to your dog that barking leads to a fun activity. These games make training a positive and rewarding experience. They help in building a strong bond between you and your dog, ensuring that training sessions are something both of you look forward to. By incorporating these playful activities, you can make training an enjoyable part of your daily routine. Section 5. Patience and consistency. Keys to success. Remember, every dog learns at their own pace. Some dogs may pick up vocal exercises quickly, others may need more time. Be patient and understanding. Never punish your dog for not barking. This can create negative associations with using their voice. Consistency is key. Practice the exercises regularly. Celebrate small victories. With patience and dedication, you will help your dog build a strong and confident voice. Section 6. Conclusion. Empowering your dog through voice. A strong voice is a valuable asset for any dog. It allows them to communicate, stay safe, and engage with the world around them. By incorporating simple exercises and games into your routine, you can help your dog strengthen their vocal cords. Remember to make training fun and rewarding. With patience and consistency, you can empower your dog to find their voice and navigate the world with confidence. The bond you share will only grow stronger through this process.